the study of muscles. It is the branch of veterinary anatomy which deals with the study of muscles. All of you can see the picture?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, which deals with the study of muscles. The word muscle is derived. The word muscle is derived from a Latin word, inverted comma ভিতর লেখো musculus, musculus, musculus. So the word muscle is derived from a Latin word called musculus. Next, classification of muscles. Classification of muscles. Write down. You can see the figure. So by seeing the figure, you go on writing. So write down. Broadly, the muscles of the body can be categorized into 3 different types. Broadly, the muscles of the body can be categorized into 3 different types. Such as smooth muscle, first one, second one, cardiac muscle, third one, skeletal muscle. Now, if you see this figure, you can see the structure of the muscles. Now, these things you will in detail study in histology of the muscles, but I am giving you a just few lines about the structure of these muscles. In detail, you will see in histology. So, give side having smooth muscle. Write down. These are the muscles. These are the muscles that are located in the wall of the visceral organs, and their contraction and relaxation are not under the control of our will. आम इच्छा अनुसार से contraction relaxation हेई परिबो नाही. So they are also called as involuntary muscles. Now if you see the shape, gote muscle cell ro shape dekho, the shape is spindle shape. This side re patala achi, majira ଟିକେ fully achi. So this structure is called spindle shape. So write down. The smooth muscle cells are spindle shaped and uninucleated. Uninucleated means they contain single nucleus. The smooth muscle cells are spindle shaped and uninucleated. Full stop. Next point, the nucleus is located at the center of the muscle cell. The nucleus is located at the center of the muscle cell. Now you can see the arrangement of the muscle cells. Upar tala dita ja figure dekho. Now if you see this figure, how they are arranged just like sheets, one above the other. Sheet bhaliya gote upare gote arrangement thai. So write down. The smooth muscle fibers are arranged in the form of sheet, SHEET, sheet. The smooth muscle cells are arranged in the form of sheet, one above the other, one above the other. Next, cardiac muscle. Smooth muscle रे ଗୋଟେ sentence add कर दियो. Smooth muscle रे देखो, due to the absence of striations, STRIATIONS, striations. Now what do you mean by striations? Striation means presence of dark band and light band, or you can say thick band and thin band, like that. A band, I band, those are characteristic of skeletal muscle. So if you see the entire muscle of, you can say, skeletal muscle, there are presence of alternate arrangement of dark bands and light bands, or thick filament and thin filament. So they give these striations just like the skin of a zebra. जिनकी तुम्हारा white black arrangement है. But in case of smooth muscles and also in case of cardiac muscles, there is no such arrangement. So they are devoid of striations. That means they are unstriated muscles. So write down smooth muscle कौन लिख लो?
Due to absence of striations.
There are absence of striations. Full stop. Next, cardiac muscle. Give side heading cardiac muscle. Cardiac, as the name indicates, cardiac means related to the heart. So write down these muscles are unstriated. Unstriated means lack the striations, just like the smooth muscle. These muscles are unstriated, uninucleated. You can see single nucleus, uninucleated, comma दे लिखो, uninucleated, comma cylindrical in shape. केमती shape अछि देखो, cylindrical, cylinder भलिया अछि, cylindrical in shape, comma nucleus is located at the center, comma nucleus is located at the center of the muscle cell, full stop. These muscles are branched. You can see gote single muscle cell jaiki puni branch heichi. These muscle cells are branched and not under the control of our will, that is they are involuntary in nature. There are presence of, now if I enlarge this, you can see, or I can show you in other pictures also, you can see these structures. Samaste dekhi parucho, junction guda re each muscle cell ro जंक्शन गुड़ा रे देखियो ए बैंड गुड़ा अछि केवल जंक्शन रे सो राइट डाउन देयर आर प्रेजेंस ऑफ अरे कार्डियक मसल भूल गेला रे
So
अनस्ट्रैटेड लिखो
striated हबो ना
हाँ स्ट्रैटेड लिखो स्ट्रैटेड राइट कट अनस्ट्रैटेड राइट स्ट्रैटेड हाँ लेफ्ट कौन लिख लो देयर आर प्रेजेंस ऑफ intercalated disc INTER. Now what is this intercalated disc? In detail we will see in histology. There are presence of intercalated discs at the junction between the two cardiac muscle cell at the junction between two cardiac muscle cell which provides the striations which provides the striations to this muscle. Now you can see the figure. This is the schematic figure and this is the real picture on what you can see in histology. You can see the location of intercalated disc at the junction between the two cardiac muscle cells. So next point you write down. Now this cardiac muscle forms the myocardium of the heart. Next point, the cytoplasm of the cardiac muscle cell. The cytoplasm of cardiac muscle cell consists of plenty of mitochondria, within bracket you can write sarcosome. The mitochondria of the muscle is called sarcosome. The cytoplasm of the cardiac muscle cell consists of plenty of mitochondria, within bracket sarcosome, which provides constant energy to the cardiac muscle cells to contract and relax for a long period of time, to contract and relax continuously for a long period of time without fatigue, FATIGUE, without fatigue. Next जोटा के आम ग्रॉस important, very important. So write down skeletal muscle. Now what are the differences you can see? Write down. The skeletal muscle are located just below the skin, within bracket cutaneous muscles, within bracket cutaneous muscles, bracket close, and attached to the skeleton of the body, and attached to the skeleton of the body. Next point, the skeletal muscle cell, the skeletal muscle cell is cylindrical, and multinucleated. The skeletal muscle cell is cylindrical and multinucleated. Now you can see what are the location of the nuclei. Are they present at the center? No. So write down, the nuclei are located. The nuclei are located at the periphery, just below the sarcolemma. The plasma membrane of the muscle cell is called sarcolemma. The nuclei are located at the periphery, just below the sarcolemma. Next, they are not branched, or you can say they are unbranched. And are under the control of our will, and are under the control of our will. So they are called as voluntary muscles. So they are also called as voluntary muscles. Each skeletal muscle cell consists of numerous light and dark bands. Each skeletal muscle cell consists of, you can see this figure also. Samaste dekhi parucho?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This single figure signifies so many things. So like each skeletal muscle cell, এই ফিগারটা দেখো, এই দুইটা ফিগার। Each skeletal muscle cell consists of numerous light and dark bands. Light band ro bracket re likhi paribo actin filament, dark band ro bracket re myosin. Tome era plus 2 re padicho eta. Numerous light and dark bands which gives striations to the muscle cell, अच्छा, नेक्स्ट आमे जो भी जिनस वर्तमान पढ़िबा मायोलॉजी रे मोस्टली वी विल सी दी स्केलेटल मसल सेल, कारण बाहर जोटा ग्रॉसली अछि, जोटा स्किन रो तळे अछि कॉल्ड एज क्यूटानियस मसल, जो गुडा को स्केलेटन को लागि छि एंड प्रोवाइड्स मूवमेंट. We will read that portion only which are coming under the skeletal muscle. Smooth और कार्डियक मसल, जतले हमें हार्ट पढ़िबा सेतले कार्डियक मसल पढ़िबा, जतले विसरल ऑर्गन्स हमें पढ़ी जाउचे हिस्टोलॉजी रे सेतले हमें देखिबा the arrangement of the smooth muscle. So in this chapter we will see the skeletal muscles of the body. So next, write down one paragraph you do. Now if you see this figure, if you see each skeletal muscle cell, they are cylindrical. तमे देखि पाउछो skeletal muscle. अच्छा से माने केमिति arrangement हेचंदी. Now you can see this one patch. एटा गोटे patch, एटा गोटे patch, एटा गोटे patch, एटा गोटे patch. So each patch of skeletal muscle fibers is called as fasciculus, and plural is fasciculi. That means several fasciculi, they unite with each other to form a skeletal muscle, complete skeletal muscle. So write down next paragraph you can write. Each skeletal muscle cell, तीनटा word चारटा word तुम एठी मन रखियो. One is endomysium, second one is perimysium, third one is epimysium, and fourth one is fasciculus. So write down. Doubt alle pachariyo. All are related with the skeletal muscle. Ame jaha bhi bartan padiba skeletal muscle. So write down next paragraph. Each skeletal muscle cell or muscle fiber, each skeletal muscle cell or fiber is surrounded by a connective tissue layer for protection, a connective tissue layer for protection known as endomysium, known as endomysium. এই ফিগারটা তুমি দেখিয়ে লেখো, known as endomysium. Next point. Several skeletal muscle cells or fibers, several skeletal muscle cells or fibers come together to form a bundle, known as fasciculus, Fasciculus, plural is fasciculi, known as fasciculus. So এটা তুমি जो দেখুছো, each bundle is called fasciculus. अच्छा, এই जो fasciculus টা তৈরি হলা সেইটা भी गोटे connective tissue द्वारा protected हेतियो. Next point. Each fasciculus is surrounded by a connective tissue layer for protection, known as perimysium, Acha, next point. Several fasciculi, plural is fasciculi. Several fasciculi come together and finally surrounded by a connective tissue layer for protection, known as epimysium, Next point. By this, comma, a complete skeletal muscle is formed. By this, a complete skeletal muscle is formed. अच्छा, वर्तमान आमे देखिले जे गोटे skeletal muscle structure कोन, तार डीपर स्ट्रक्चर टा हमें जस्ट खाली उडे लिखि देले जे स्ट्राइसल्स अछि. एई फिगर टा तमे देखियो कंप्लीट स्ट्रक्चर देखौछि. You can see this is the whole skeletal muscle which is attached to a bone. The insertion point is in the form of a fibrous cord like structure called tendon. सेटा मु कहिबि तुमको. tendon. Now if you see this skeletal muscle, the outer protective connective tissue layer is called epimysium. If you cut the muscle and see the internal structure, each skeletal muscle further consists of several muscle fiber bundles called fasciculi. Each fasciculi is again surrounded by connective tissue layer, that is the perimysium. If you again go in deeper into each fasciculi consists of several skeletal muscle cells or fibers. Each skeletal muscle cell or fiber is protected by or surrounded by a connective tissue layer that is called endomysium. तो हमें चारटा वर्ड देखले, endomysium, perimysium, epimysium and fascicle. All are related with the skeletal muscle. अच्छा, now हमें और जदि deeper जिबा, if we go deep into each muscle cell, write down one single point. Each skeletal muscle cell again consists of numerous myofibrils. Each skeletal muscle cell again consists of numerous myofibrils. Full stop. Each myofibril, देखो एटा गोटे skeletal muscle cell, ता भितरे केतरा गुडा को myofibril रहिला. Each myofibril उपरे तमरो thick and thin filament अछि जोडा तको striation दोछि. So write down, each myofibril is again consist of several thick and thin filaments or light and dark zones, bands, jaha bhi likhibo. Each myofibril is again consist of or further consist of thick and thin filaments which gives striation to the skeletal muscle. अच्छा, जदि आमे जतले गोटे मसल पढुचे, गोटे स्केलेटल मसल पढुचे, तार गोटे ओरिजिन थिबो, तार गोटे इंसर्शन पॉइंट किबा एंड पॉइंट थिबो. सो राइट डाउन नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. each skeletal muscle consists of two parts. Each skeletal muscle, three parts कहले भी चलेबो, mainly body भी अछि, लेको three parts लेको. Each skeletal muscle consists of three parts such as origin, body and insertion, insertion or end point. Each skeletal muscle consists of three parts: origin, body and insertion or end part. अच्छा, कोटा केमिति चिनिबा? Write down, the origin is the fleshy part. And it is immovable. माने कोन? सेठी ओरिजिन आउ इंसर्शन कोटा आरंभ कोटा खत्म हेची, जोटी सरीची केमि जानिबा? उल्टा भी हे पारे. तन चिनिबार गोटे उपाय होला, ओरिजिन हाउची फ्लेसी थिबो, माने बेसी मसल थिबो, आउ इमूवेबल थिबो, ताकू मूवमेंट करि परिबा नाही. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, द बॉडी इज द मिडल पार्ट. Which is fleshy. The body is the middle part which is fleshy and forms the bulk of the muscle. bulk mane major portion. and forms the bulk portion of the muscle or major portion of the muscle. Next, end बुझिबा end टा जतला आमे जिबा end टा दी प्रकार थाए. फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन लिखि दियो. The end of a skeletal muscle, the end of a skeletal muscle is the only movable part. The end of a skeletal muscle is the only movable part. The end or insertion, the end or insertion part of a skeletal muscle, the end or insertion part of a skeletal muscle may be of two types, First one tendon, second one aponeurosis. Spelling देखिए लिखो figure. First one tendon, second one aponeurosis. Now first tendon. What is a tendon? तुम भला वे जानी चो. Write down. The tendon is a fibrous cord-like structure. The tendon is a fibrous cord-like structure. Practically देखिए जानते हो. Fibrous cord-like structure of the end of the muscle. The tendon is a fibrous cord-like structure of the end of a skeletal muscle. Of the end of a skeletal muscle. That insert to a bone. That insert to a bone. माने जतले स्केलेटल मसलटा गोटे बोन को अटैच हुए जतले एई फिगरटा हमें देखिले स्केलेटल मसलटा जतले बोन को अटैच हुए तार जस्ट पूर्वरु गोटे व्हाइट फाइब्रस कॉर्ड कोलाजन फाइबर बेसी रहइबो व्हाइट फाइब्रस कॉर्ड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर रे जतले कन्वर्ट हो जाए एई जो स्ट्रक्चर टा को कुआ गला टेंडन. अच्छा नेक्स्ट जिबा एपोन्यूरोसिस. एपोन्यूरोसिस कोन फिगर जानि परछो ना जेतले मसलटा गोटे शीट ऊपर एटा कोन फाइब्रस कॉर्ड लाइक हला बट हियर यू कैन सी द स्ट्रक्चर. दिस इज एपोन्यूरोसिस. दिस इज नॉट ए कॉर्ड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. एटा कॉर्ड भलिया हैनी एटा गोटे कोन गोटे शीट भलिया हैछि. सो राइट डाउन व्हेन द स्केलेटल मसल एंड्स when the skeletal muscle ends in the form of a sheet, in the form of a wide sheet, it is called as aponeurosis. It is called as aponeurosis. गला नेक्स्ट जिबा में क्यूटानियस मसल. Cutaneous muscle. Write down. These are the muscles. These are the muscles that are present. These are the muscles that are present or located just below the skin. Just below the skin. The contraction of these muscles, the contraction of these muscles causes twitching of the skin, causes twitching of the skin. Twitching माने तुम जेतले मार्क करथियो डॉग हो कि कैट हो कि हमर कैटल हो कि शीप हो कि गोट हो कि हॉर्स हो जहां भी हो जेतले तुम ताको टच करूजो सेतले टिके गोटे पोर्शन ता टिके ट्रेंबलिंग हुए. That is called twitching of the skin, and that twitching of the skin is caused due to the presence of, or you can say the contraction of, the cutaneous muscles of the body. देखो next point, these cutaneous muscles are located all over the body. These cutaneous muscles figure एटी अछि तमे देखि परिबो. These cutaneous muscles are located all over the body and are categorized as skeletal muscles. And magu koichi एडा skeletal muscle, that is voluntary, and are categorized as skeletal muscles. एठी sometimes गोटे बहुत important question पड़े platysma. तमे ए फिगर टा देखि जानि पड़बो. You can see this, right? Platysma. तो गोटे sentence लिखि दियो, जनरली परीक्षा रे आसे. देखो, the cutaneous muscles that are present, the cutaneous muscles that are present in the neck area, the cutaneous muscles that are present in the neck and thoracic, both in the neck and thoracic area. Neck बगल में bracket रे cervical भी लिख परियो, no problem. The cutaneous muscles that are present in the cervical and thoracic area of the animal, or in the animal, is referred to or is called as platysma. Is called as platysma. 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 एटा जनरली परीक्षा रे पड़े. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट जीवा फास्ट तमरो बॉडी रो जनरल स्ट्रक्चर मन रखो. एटा रहला तमरो स्किन, आउटर स्किन, ता तळे रहला तमरो एडिपोज सेल्स, फैट सेल्स रहला, और यू कैन से सबक्यूटेनियस मसल्स भी रही परिबो. अच्छा, ता परे तमरो रहला सुपरफिशियल फेसिया, ता परे रहला एडिपोज टिश्यू, ता परे डीप फेसिया, ता परे तमरो आसिला मसल, स्केलेटल मसल, ता परे तमरो आसिला स्केलेटल, और यू कैन से बोन. तो तमरो स्केलेटन आउ स्किन भितरे एई सब लेयर माने रहिली. कोन कोन इंपोर्टेंट लेयर? द इंपोर्टेंट लेयर इज, और इंपोर्टेंट लेयर्स आर, यू कैन से cutaneous muscle, superficial fascia and deep fascia. ए तीनटा वर्ड मन रखो. Cutaneous muscle, superficial fascia and deep fascia. So next paragraph you can write, in between the skin and skeleton of the body, in between the skin and skeleton of the body, there are presence of cutaneous muscles, comma, superficial fascia, comma, deep fascia, comma, skeletal muscles, along with fat tissue or adipose tissue and connective tissue, along with fat tissue or adipose tissue and connective tissue. Now comes what is fascia. Fascia माने कौन? So write down fascia. It is a connective tissue layer. It is a connective tissue layer Now you can see this figure. It is a connective tissue layer. ए ऊपर जो white color रो structure गुड़ा देखुचो, एटा हला तमरो muscle, एटा हला white color structure, एटा हला deep fascia. This is superficial fascia, एटा हला deep fascia. दीटा जाको भितरे comparison तमे निजे कर परिबो. You can see this comparison. एटा हला skeletal muscle, ए भीतर जोड़ा देखाउची. ता ऊपर जोड़ा white fibrous structure अछि, that is deep fascia. ता ऊपर रहला तमरो आउरी फैट सेल अमोन हम सब रहला आकु काटला परे. ता ऊपर रहला this one is the superficial fascia. You can see this is the superficial fascia. So fascia lekho, it is a connective tissue layer which separates the skeletal muscle cells from each other, which separates the skeletal muscle cells from each other. तो fascia कोन एडा ओडा connective tissue layer जोटा की skeletal muscle cell माननकु गोटे आउ जनकठु अलगा करिकि रखुछि. This is the simple meaning of fascia. So write down next point. The fascia can be categorized into two types. The fascia can be categorized into two types, such as superficial fascia and deep fascia. Next point. The superficial fascia is loose. This is more compact and this is very much loose. हातरे धरले तमे ताको आराम से टाणी परिबो. Superficial fascia किंतु एटा टाणी परिबो नाही. So write down, the superficial fascia is loose and located just below the skin. The superficial fascia is loose and located superficially just below the skin and located superficially just below the skin. Next point. The deep fascia is more compact. Compact means tough, tano. The deep fascia is more compact as compared to the superficial fascia. The deep fascia is more compact as compared to the superficial fascia and is located deeply in between the skeletal muscles. बुझा पड़ला. नेक्स्ट जीवा मोटर यूनिट. Next we will go to the motor unit. Now what is a motor unit? Now motor unit is mostly related with the nerve cell or nerve cell that innervate the muscle fibers. Now you can see this, if you see this figure, each neuron, this is the dendrites, this is the soma or body, plus 2 padithibo, and this is the axon or efferent fiber. Each neuron or each nerve cell innervate several skeletal muscle fibers. Each one is a skeletal muscle fiber or skeletal muscle cell, cylindrical structures. Gote neuron several skeletal muscle cell को innervate करिछि. So गोटे न्यूरॉन जेति की skeletal muscle cell को innervate करिछि, ए टोटल टाको कुआबो one motor unit. So write down motor unit. Write down motor unit. लिखो each nerve cell or neuron innervate innervate several skeletal muscle cells or fibers. Several skeletal muscle cells or fibers which constitute which constitute a motor unit Eta भी same. You can see this. ଗୋଟେ nerve cell ଆସିକି several skeletal muscle cell को innervate କରିଛି. So one nerve cell ଯେତେଟା ତମର skeletal muscle cell को innervate କରିଛି, they together constitute a motor unit. गला. These are few terms. Next jiba classification of skeletal muscle cell. Next class पढ़िया. Ajay, take out. Any doubt? Any doubt?
Sir,
No, sir.
sir, ये जो आपके न्यूरोसिस
किसी सुना जाओ.
सर आपके न्यूरोसिस आउट टेंडन
Aponeurosis?
आउ जो आपण कहले टेंडन सेटा माने दीटा गोटे जागारे रहतरे ना माने गोटे जोड़ थिबो माने आर
किसी सुना जाओ. It is not audible actually. तमे कहउछो जे एपोन्यूरोसिस और टेंडन गोटे मसल रे दीटा रहि परिबे की पचाउछो त?
यस
हैं?
सर
No. A muscle either ends in a fibrous cord-like structure called tendon, or it may end over the bone in the form of a sheet. That is called aponeurosis. कोटा गोटे हो, दीटा केबे भी हेई परिबो नाही.
यस सर
Generally हमरो shoulder रो muscle गुडा को they form the aponeurosis. Sheet हिसाब रे जिवो. Leg रो muscle गुडा को hand हो, leg हो, किबा animal रे forelimb हो, hind limb हो, they generally end in the form of tendons. Next. Okay. Share मते पठाइ देबो अटेंडेंस शीट. नेक्स्ट क्लास हमें कंटिन्यू करिबा क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मसल्स. मोर प्रैक्टिकल और थ्योरी क्लास सेम चलिबो, साइड बाय साइड चलिबो. आउ किछि डिफरेंशिएशन बटन करिबा. एटा तमे प्रैक्टिकल रे लिखि चलो कि थ्योरी लिखले भी चलिबो, नो प्रॉब्लम. मसल रे किछि सेमती मैंडेटरी नो, किंतु जेतले ए जो जनरल पार्टटा, किंतु क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ स्केलेटल मसल भी थ्योरी रे जिवो. जेतले मसल्स ऑफ फोर लिम्ब स्टार्ट करिवि सेतले तमे लिखि परिबो प्रैक्टिकल रे, आउ थ्योरी नहीं. हला ओके. शेयर को अटेंडेंस पठाइ देबो.
Yes, sir.
ओके.
Thank you, sir.